In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the background color of cells in Google Sheets to make your data more visually appealing and easier to read. Whether you want to highlight important information or just add some personality to your spreadsheet, changing the cell color can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Google Sheet is open. If you haven't already done so, navigate to the Google Sheets application on your device and open the spreadsheet where you'd like to make these changes. Once you have your sheet open, you need to decide which specific cell or range of cells you want to color. Simply click on a single cell or click and drag your mouse to select multiple cells if you want to highlight a range. This step is crucial, as it determines where the color will be applied. With the cell selected, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You're looking for the Fill Color icon, which looks like a small paint bucket. Clicking on this icon will open up a palette of color options that you can apply to your selected cells. Here comes the fun part, choosing your preferred color. You'll see a wide range of options, from soft pastels to bold, vibrant hues. Pick a color that suits your needs or matches your style. Simply click on the color you want, and like magic, the background of your selected cells will change to your chosen color. Your cells now display your chosen background color, making your spreadsheet more organized and visually engaging. But what if, after some time, you decide that you want to remove the color? Well, this is as simple as applying it in the first place. Just select the cells with the colored background you want to remove. Once again, click on the Fill Color icon in the toolbar. Instead of selecting a new color, this time you'll choose the option that says Reset, or simply click on the white square. This action will return your selected cells to a plain white background, giving you a clean slate. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to personalize your Google Sheets by changing and resetting the background color of cells. Whether you're organizing your data for a big presentation or just trying to make your personal spreadsheets a bit more vibrant, this little trick can add a lot of value. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheet styling!